Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and installation video. Checking out this GOXAWEE retractable garden hose holder. So this comes with a 100-foot hose. We're just going to mount it on our wall. And it's going to be, should be a super nice, clean looking thing. Right now we have like a little hose mobile out front and it sits on the ground, and all the every time it rains or anything like that, leaves get collected underneath there, and then the worms go in it. They're just really nasty. So right on top we have the instructions here, and then let's get all this stuff out quick. Okay, heavy duty, like powder coated mount for that. That's nice. It should be fairly weather resistant. I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this out. Weighs a little bit. All right. Oh, that is cool. So it got the little bag also. So when you're not using it, you can just put this over the top of it, keep it kind of out of the elements. Okay, got a couple more things right here. Looks like that's gonna go. Nice stainless steel, looks like. So that should just go fit down right in there, hold our hose thing. Got a little Allen key tool there. This comes with a nice nozzle as well. We got shower, full, flat, mist, soaker, everything that we need for that. I'm gonna be demonstrating that as well, of course. And it comes with some pretty solid, heavy-duty looking screws for installation there. Okay, these come in a few different colors. Orange, with the orange highlight here, like you see, this can either be green or blue. So depending on the colors that you like, that thing looks pretty sick, actually. Pretty heavy-duty. We got like a UV resistant material here on the outside, so it should last pretty good. All right. And then we have like this little stuff right here. I think when this thing retracts, it should be, it's pretty heavy. Like I said, it does have 100 feet of hose in here. Let's see here. I'm gonna just try just for a second. So it does have these little feet here on the bottom. So that can also use as a holder. So if we pull the hose out and then it stops, and then to retract, you should pull out a little bit. And it just retracts back in there. We have a nice little hose stop right here. This hose is 1/2 inch. And there's 100 feet of it in here, I think I mentioned before. Let's go get this installed and see how it works. I'm pretty excited. When this goes on here, it's gonna have 180-degree range, so it's gonna mount on the wall. Just go back and forth on there. Let's go do this, my friends. All right, friends. Well, here's our hose, the old hose mobile right here. Let's take this off and move that out of the way. Okay, this is what I was talking about. That sits on the ground there, and all these bugs and leaves collect on there. Look at all those worms right there. So it just kind of makes a mess that you gotta kind of clean up. So now we can install this. There's my little worker buddy. Hi, Bogey. So we gotta figure out where we want this. And I believe you want this flat part up. This is at a little bit of an angle, but I do have the lap setting on here. I think we're just gonna go just like that and just screw it in. And like I said, you want this flat, little larger part. This part is just kind of open here. We have this little extra bit of a kind of a platform there. So I'm gonna mount it right about there, I think, and call that good. Try to get this right in the center if we can. Looks good. All right, I don't think that's going anywhere anytime soon. Should be fairly solid there. Oh yeah, okay. Now, should just be able to pick this up. I like this has this handle on here, makes it fairly simple. And we just line these holes up. We got these holes right here and this. So line up the holes over the top of that, slide it in. That's gonna go down in between those. And then just like that, puts it in there. I think that's all we gotta do. Now we can just rotates. Just like that. Very cool. Simply just connect our hose. Let's see. It's kind of a long hose here. That's all right. Maybe I can put like a little bit of a twist right here. Usually all you need to do is hand tighten these on there. Shouldn't leak. All right, that's about it, my friends. That's super easy. Let's see how the bag goes on here, or the little cover here. Oh, that's cool. So you can put this on here and still have your hose coming out the little slot there. Let's just preview this real quick. Oh, that is, look at that. Pretty slick there, I would have to say. Take that off for now. And we can put our hose on here and we can test it out. Comes with a couple, like 3 extra hose washers there. That's nice. Pretty much just screw this on here and we should be good to go. All right, there we are. Okay, turned on the water and let's go test it out, shall we? Okay, I pulled it about 50 feet out, I would guess. Looks like I need to tighten. I just hand tightened the one on the hose here. So let's test it out over here on the flowers. All right, we can see we have all that hose, and then I pulled out this much as well. So just a lot of hose here to work with. Okay, let's check it out here. So this nozzle seems nice. Shower, angled, jet, cone, soaker, mist, flat, full, and then we can just turn that off with the press of the thumb there. And to retract it, I think we just give it a little pull here. It just starts bringing it in here. That's super easy. Just kind of walking the hose up. Okay, wow. So I really like that it holds 100 feet in there. No more mess underneath here. That's super convenient. This also rotates too, 180 degrees. So if you have it in a different location, like maybe on a post or something like that, it's gonna be able to move with it freely. That was super easy to wind up. You just pull it out a little bit and it just, like those shades that used to have where they would kind of retract. This is similar to that, but I'm gonna be able to clean up this area under here where no more worms and everything. I'll probably put a little zip tie on the hose there to make it look a little bit cleaner there. I like that it does have 6 feet hose. So if you're a little further from your water spigot, then you can do that. just have to, I only hand tighten that. That's the only reason that's leaking there. I like that there's a lot of hose here. That other hose we had was only like 50 feet. And when I was washing my truck or things like that, it would be difficult to, I'd have to add like more hose to do it or go around from each side. With this, I can use it all the time easily, just to extend out 100 feet worth of hose. So that fits very nicely. It's super convenient, easy to use, retracts nicely, looks cool. I highly recommend this product, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.